Hey guys, Manja here from Upcycled. Today I'm on Expressions Craft blog with a project inspiration for the ongoing blog challenge. Anything goes with the theme celebration using a mixed products. So this is quite a simple challenge and I'm hoping a lot of participation from you guys. So here is the inspiration project that I've created for this particular challenge. I've used my favorite pastel colors with a lot of chippies and metallics in this project. I've used the colors forest green and ancient gold. So here I'm altering a hoop, not exactly an altar but decorating a hoop, I must say. So for this theme I'm choosing a project as a wall or door hanger. So I'm going ahead and coloring the hoop with forest green all around, covering all the edges. So I'm done coloring the hoop, so I'm putting that aside to dry up. Now it's time to add the embellishments. Here I've chosen the recently launched heart chippy, and then I'm using that filigree negative chippies that I already have from Expressions Craft just to embellish the heart. Quickly applying some glue and sticking up the filigree negative chippy over the heart. So that creates a very interesting pattern and effect to the heart. I hope you like it. Now I'm going ahead and gessoing it all around, all over the surface including the sides. You can water it down a little using a little wet brush so that there would be even coverage. Don't forget to gesso it over the sides and the back as well, because that gives a great finishing. So now I'm all done gessoing it and it's dry. So I would like to add some texture over the sides and at a few places. So I'm roughly taking few texture paste from IMX brand and then dry brushing it and creating a texture. So this is all done and dry. Now I'm using the chalk paint Tuscan and coloring it randomly. Make sure you press down the color a little because it needs to go into the little filigree and all that we have attached. Color it over the sides, and with the remaining paint I would like to run over even the back. So I'm kind of done coloring and have the effect that I want. Now I'm going to wax a little using the color ancient gold. This is a newly launched metallic from Expressions Craft. So I'm just running my finger over it just to highlight all the parts, and I've done the same over the hoop as well. Now I'm kind of assembling the total thing to form a wreath. So I'm using the wild roses and the beautiful mauve and white roses there. So now it is all about your fantasy. Just go ahead and place however you like it. So it's almost done here. So I'm done thinking of ways to just add more dimension to it. So I'm adding a lot of flowers, chippies, leaves that I already have. So I have few. This is the chippy Wonderful Life. So in order to go with the present theme celebration, my idea of celebration is to celebrate the wonderful life and all the little things in it. So this is what I've come up with. And I'm adding a few fussy cutted flowers and leaves that I already have, just to add more interest. I'm also going to add the deco stones mini over the edges and at parts, so that it looks all complete with little pollen and more interest. I'm also adding a few rose leaves these are also the newly launched collection. So these are just beautiful with great detailing and stuff. So I'm adding a lot of them. I wanted this wreath to be very chunky and loaded with flowers, chippies and stuff. So this is how it is all. I hope you enjoyed watching this quick tutorial on how I made this wreath. Do subscribe to my channel and also Expressions Craft, and check out all the inspirations that my fellow DTs have come up with, and do participate in this month's blog challenge. I'm just hoping to see you there over Expressions Craft Club and over the blog. So this is it. I hope you like the tutorial and the project I made. Do just let me know your thoughts, and see you soon. Bye.